It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT. This is the new color Avalanche, and the interior is black sport cloth seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has a power sliding rear window, navigation, as well as the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a tailgate step, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. If you'd like to book that online, you can do it at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, 10-speed, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar. Nice carpeted mats on the floor, and you have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, high mount LED light, lighting controls, side view mirror spotlights. These are LED as well. And you have your power tailgate release, very handy. You have a running board and grab handle. That just makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our lane keeping and cruise control, as well as volume. And then your menus on this side, as well as your hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're gonna push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages, your odometer reading. We can turn down our volume. You can do that on your menu on your steering wheel or in the center console. So right now we're seeing the menu, my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, we've got a little cubby up top, and then you have your camera view. We can press on that, see out the back here. This is just a protective cover, by the way. Green, yellow, red is just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles, and there's your center line, and that's right off the bumper. Let's hit the camera again. We're gonna get out of that. See navigation off to the side. We're gonna go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then when we go into navigation, we get the full screen for the map, and we can go into our menu and choose where we want to go. Settings, we can go in there, and then these all have sub-menus. So you can change your clock, display, and that's coming up soon. Vehicle hotspot, your Ford Assistance, software updates, and so forth. In your features, your owner manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see that backup camera view again. So same thing, showing us where we are in space, and you have your auto hold, your center line, and your distance. We're going to put us back into park, and down below is our volume and tuner, dual climate control, and heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as your front and rear defrost, and you have your AC and max AC fans located right there. Off to the side, pro trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 with locking differential. We press that, you're going to see it appear on the right hand side of the menu, and then we can just push it off again, and then go through the drive modes. You're going to see this change the icon. So there's normal, and then we have tow haul, eco, sport, and then we're gonna go the other way. And this is slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. So, and then it's just telling you to shift into 4x4 for the rock crawl. So as the weather changes, road conditions change, you can adapt to that. And that's just simply dialing through left and right, and the icons will tell you where you're at. In the little cubby down below, we have a USB, USB-C, plus some room to put things. Automatic select shifter, and we can make this shifter go down. Flat surface, if you have an interior work surface, it'll fold out onto here, or you can just use this to put things down on if you want. You have your cup holders located there. Let's press the button, that'll bring that shifter back up. We have an armrest, we can open this up. This has got lots of storage. We have the little bin, and you've got your chargers down below. And we'll just close that off. 12 volt and your 120 are located there. 2 glove compartments, the lower one's locking, and the release for the top one's here. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that button's for. Grab handle in the body, that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road package badging, which includes skid plates. In the rear, on the tailgate, you have the handle that's body colored. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and you have the Backup camera just above the handle, LED light to the right, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when you're ready to open up that tailgate, all you have to do is double click your fob. Inside, it's a nice generous sized box with box link and tie downs in all 4 corners. Your tailgate also has a tailgate step that makes it easier to get in, and that yellow button pulls out to create a handle that just gives you stability. Now this is a workhorse because it also has places for clamps on the left and on the right. As well, you have 2 rulers here, one's metric and one's imperial, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. There is seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. This is the sport cloth. Just give it a push. It'll go up in the upright position, giving you more room on the floor. And then to bring it down, just simply pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. You've got carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. There's a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, USB and USB-C, as well as the 120-volt. And you notice a little bit of a blue glow, so that just gives you some lighting if you should need it when it's darker out. Grab handle on the driver's side, hooks up above. In the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, tailgate step in the rear, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.